When this home was built, the fastest way to get around was by a horse and carriage. Today, only 5 minutes away, researchers are pioneering AI and robotics faster than anyone thought possible. But no matter what, this house will still be here on one of Shadyside's most historic streets. This Tudor-style home might be over 100 years old, but you would never know it. With a new roof, new windows, and fresh paint, it's all the character you would expect with all the updates you'd want. Inside, you'll find that all of the character has been beautifully preserved. The woodwork, the stained glass windows, and the refinished fireplaces. But with all new bathrooms, it's everything you want from a historic home without compromises. For more information or to schedule a tour, give me a call, Colleen Anthony, Howard Hanna Real Estate.